Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll show you how to cancel your order on AliExpress. First of all, open AliExpress application on your device and then at the bottom access your account, and at the top you should see My Orders tab, and here I want you to press View All button right here, and here you will see all your orders, and here you want to find the order that you want to cancel. Then tap on it to open its details, and there you should find the button called Cancel Order, and you will be requested to select the reason why you want to do cancellation of your order. Just select one reason that fits you the best, and do not forget to submit your cancellation request. And then all you have to do is just wait until your money is returned to you. Usually your money is returned in 3 to 20 business days depending on your payment method. So that's it. I hope this video helps you, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.